Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. I've got a request about basil, about some questions about basil, and how to harvest them and how to take care of them, so I'm going to give you a few tips about that. As you can see, these basils are kind of tall, eventually too tall, but because I let them grow a little bit so I can explain to you how to take care of them. So it's really important that you're not letting them grow the flower here, because the flower changes the taste of the basil. So what I would suggest you let your basil grow at least 15 centimeters, and after that you can start to cut them back so they became a little bit more bushy and they became a little bit stronger. So where you're going to cut is above 2 centimeters above a place where the leaves are like growing. So you cut them here 2 centimeters with a scissor, and that's it. And so you can use this for making pesto. You can put it into water or you're making it immediately. Also here I found the spot where I think it's the best. Well, the leaves are growing a lot. I let them grow a little bit too much probably. You cut them here and here, 2 centimeters above. Here there's a lot of small leaves, and that's it. So these are going to be a little bit more bushy, a little bit more stronger. So the way how I'm taking out the leaves is really simple. You can do it with a scissor, but I'm using my nail because it's really easy and convenient for me. Just in the morning I'm just taking out some leaves. Is that you're pitching it eventually with your nails really close to the stem, and that's it. When the weather is this hot, then you're supposed to water them twice or maybe 3 times a day. That's what I'm doing. What will happen is that I cut out this one, and next to them, next to this cut, is going to grow these two, and they're going to be more bushy. So that's it. It was a really fast tutorial, but I hope I explained it well. And if you have any other questions about basil or nature or plants, then tell me. You can find a video here when I made one of my favorite recipes with pesto, with basil. It's really good. It's with fish and pasta. So that's it. Bye.